Hello, Chef here. Once again, I find myself working with food, and I thought I would share something with you, the viewer. Make sure to subscribe right here. You're going to pick up all these little chef tips, and wow, you're going to learn some stuff. So here, I got some fire roasted chilies. Don't these look awesome? Yeah. Can you name all of these? Name them in the comments below. I'll tell you what they are when I get a few comments, but anyway, I just want to show you my roasted peppers. These were cooked over really hot coals on a grill. They've been chilled now, they're cooled off, they're ready to go, and I'm going to show you what I do next. So the first thing I like to do is select a really sharp knife, like this one. Oh yeah, the Turbo. The Blue Pearl means it's the Turbo series of the Porsche knives, okay? These are built and designed in Germany. It's the sharpest knife made right now. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna use it on these peppers, but first, we need to bust up a little garlic. So you know I like to use the right tools, the fast tools, the easy tools. Yeah, so here we go. Thor's hammer once again. Just give it a smash like that till you get them kind of flattened out. That's good right there. I like it. Alright, we give them a quick peeling like this. Fast, fast, fast. That's what it's all about. Gotta move along here. Get to the next step. Okay, there's so much work to do, so many things to do in the kitchen that you don't want to spend all your time on garlic. Okay, here we go. We're going to just give it a quick mince like this. Oh yeah, nice garlic. It's looking really good. Smells wonderful. Okay, so this garlic, I'm going to do a couple things with it here. One of the things I'm going to do that's you're going to find it to be unusual, I'm going to put a little bit of kosher salt. Just a pinch like this, because I want that in my recipe anyway. I'll put a little salt in there, and I'm going to smash it with my knife and release some of that awesome garlic flavor. Kind of crush it up a little bit, okay? Just like that. That is really good. That's what I'm looking for right there. Now, I'm going to take a mixing bowl, put that garlic in the bowl like this. Got it all in there? Yeah. And we move on to the next step. Okay, back to the chilies. What I like to do is peel them. I've already peeled these. Just want to remove most of the peel. You don't need to get it all, but most of the peel, it's nice to leave a little bit on because then you can tell it's fire roasted. Okay, we split these right in half, right down the middle, and we remove some of the seeds like this. Alright? Yeah, fire roasted chilies. Ooh, it's going to be good. And then we line them up like this, okay? Once we line them up, we just give them a quick julienne like this. Okay, nice. This knife glides right through these peppers. Yeah, okay. That right there's a perfect julienne roasted red pepper right there, okay? I like it. Okay, got the right tools, like the bench scraper. Move them off to the side. Okay, moving on to the next chili. Same deal, we're gonna remove most of the seeds, just like this. I leave a few seeds sometimes, but be careful, the seeds can be hot too. Don't eat too many of these seeds here, unless you like to consume fire. Some people do. Alright, that's good for me on the seeds right there. I'm going to line them up and give them a julienne. Same thing once again. Okay, moving right along here. Got all these peppers and a really nice looking julienne now. I think they're looking good. What do you think? And The next step, bench scraper. Peppers get mixed together like this and they go right into the bowl. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, I got them all in the bowl with the garlic, right? I've got a little bit of rosemary. Oh yeah, just like that. I've got a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. By the way, this one, I added a black truffle to this one here. So large, well, a slice of a large black truffle inside there. It's giving the oil a lot of extra flavor. Oh, yeah. Leave a comment. Tell us what you think about this here, okay? I like to also put a splash of balsamic. In this particular case, I'm using golden balsamic. It's really good. Similar to cider vinegar. Putting a splash like this. No exact amount. That's what cooking is all about. You don't need to follow a recipe where Chef Klaus shows you exactly 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, quarter. No, you need to learn. Taste, flavor profile. A little more salt. I know I'm going to need it. And I give them a mix like this. Yeah. Oh, look at those peppers. What do you think about this now? Whoa. Smash that like button, please. It's going to be good. Yeah, it's going to be good. Now, I got another chef tip for you here. Take a jar, like any good jar you can find, a jelly jar, a fruit jar, whatever kind of jar you can get your hands on, and that's where you're going to put your peppers. You're going to put them in the jar, and then you're going to put them in the refrigerator, and you're going to leave them in there for, I don't know, a couple days, week, a few weeks, until you run out of peppers. Then you get some more and you do it again. So that's the recipe right there, and I hope you like it. Roasted peppers. Once again, leave a comment and let us know what kind of peppers you think these are. And there they are in the jar. Oh yeah, they're going to be really, really good. I put the lid on. They're going in the refrigerator. And that is the end of the video. Make sure to visit your sponsor and score one of these turbo knives. Really, really cool. Designed by F.A. Porsche. You can't go wrong. Fast like the cars. I like it. Really, really nice. It's a great knife. You're going to like it too. So once you score one of those, don't forget about Thor's hammer. They're in stock at the sponsor. Tongs, mixing bowls, and of course, made in the USA cutting boards. And I use the bench scraper every single day. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Looking good. Don't pry with them too much. Okay, a little bit's okay. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. Alright, so I got these 2 pieces already, and this melon's looking pretty cool. Hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Oh, I can't help myself. I like to put a little extra detail on the handle here. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Okay, I got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking, try the recipe, have a beautiful day. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. Yeah. Once again, visit your sponsor for all the cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that like button. Diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes. How to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it, and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, really nice quality. Hard to find.